Does that make sense? We're 10 in the 5-0-10. Cut! What is up, beautiful DT crew? Today's the fucking day. So this process took so long. Not even the process, but this has been a little hassle, I'm not gonna lie. Just because I've been on a flat, it's been a little hard to get to work. It is now Friday. Scrap whatever I said coming in on Wednesday. I called the guy and he's like, oh yeah, no, they're gonna come in Thursday. And then there's a problem just because they shipped the fronts and the rears different. This and that and this. I was like, you serious, man? But I've been working with them. So for the wheels that I have, if you don't know, I haven't even told you the setup, right? Let me start with that. I got some Nittos 555 G2s. And for the wheels, I got Verde wheels, V20s, Insignias. And for those Insignias, they're pretty special because they have little rivets that go in. There's like 30 of them that go in each wheel. And they charge you for those rivets. They don't come with the wheel, they charge you. Beautiful day in Arizona, man. What is up, DT crew? So I just left Discount Tire. So they gave me some news here. So we do have the rear ones, which is good because that's the one that my back tire is flat on. They're 20 by 10. I saw them. They look so good. They looked amazing, man. You guys are gonna love it. But the front ones are on their way today. What they did tell me is I'd have to go back home just because they need the TPMS system that's in my old tires. So I'm about to go home, take those off, then come back over here and bring them back and just wait on them to install them. It's been quite a hassle, but they've been working with me, you know. We haven't been bumping heads. It's just like they've been trying to give me these wheels. They even refunded me some just because of the inconvenience. So I'm rocking with Discount Tire. They got good warranties. I rock with them. Hit up Miguel or Jesse. They're pretty cool over there. Over here on Baseline and, what should I say, Baseline and 3rd Avenue, I believe. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when I get home. Alright guys, so I jacked up the car. Make sure you find the correct jack points, because if not, you're gonna have a problem. So I would suggest, if you don't know where they're at, search online. Or just find any metal places. Don't put it in any plastic because that shit will bend and you'll have a bad fucking day. So I'm gonna show you where I put them. I jacked up the Mustang from that little metal part right there. That's where I put my jack. And I saw in the manual booklet or online that it says the good jack points to put the little stands are in the back axles. Alright. So just make sure you're putting it in the correct spots. If not, like I said, you're gonna have a bad day. Alright boys, first tire's done. This shit took me about 30 minutes. Struggling trying to get this off, and hey, it happened. You have someone that has some power torques or power tools, I recommend hitting them up. Hey, slide them a 10, maybe even a 20 if you really don't want to struggle through this. And just tell them to come over, or you know a shop, go over, man. Trust me, this was a painful process. But I'm gonna load this tire up there, and I'll see you guys at Discount Tire. Well guys, just dropped off the old rims and tires here at Discount Tire. Can't wait to finally reveal to you guys the wheels and tires, man. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's the Verde V20s Insignias and some Nitto 555 G2s. So good street tires, I heard. They're not to hook, so don't get it mistaken. They're not drag radials, they're street tires.
they'll perform real good on the streets. But if you're looking to hook and book over, I'd say what you're pushing at least 440 to the wheels, these are not the tires. That's what I've seen so far. Definitely stay tuned for that review. But yeah, it's finally happening today, boys. Mark the fucking calendar. It is December 13th, Friday. Bad luck day, but to me look like it's looking good. And can't wait to show you guys.
I'm a little out of breath, boys. Woo! So here we have it. It's the Verde V20 Insignia wheels, 20 by 10. We got some little 555 G2s, 305s, 35s by 20. Sadly, it's only the rears, but today the front should come in. Alright boys, this video is all over the place. It's been a rough Friday. As you can see, I'm all dirty. I look like a fucking bum, but this is what it's gonna look in the rear. It looks amazing to me. Alright guys, it's time to go pick up the front ones. We're feeling a little ballsy because I haven't tightened them up all the way, but I tried my best with my hands. I don't want to scratch the little inside because I know with black, this shit for sure will scratch. Look, me tightening them in with this, I already scratched it up a bit. I don't know if you can catch this, but I'm going to try to avoid that as much as possible. Me and Miguel are about to go over there, get the front ones. They can professionally install that shit. See how it looks. Welcome back, DT crew. We're here back at Discount Tire for what, like the 5th time today. But it's cool. We're finally getting it done. Like I said, shout out to Jesse and Miguel refunding me for the inconvenience. Basically, the rivets I paid for, like I said, was $120 with tax. Came out to $130. Got the refund here. Shout out to them, man. So here are the rivets. This is just one of the sets, but if you are wanting to get the V20s and go with the different style of rivet, they do charge you. It's $30 per pack of rivet because there's 30 of them in every rim. So you have to get 4 of them. 30 times 4, let you do the math. 120 tax, 130, blah, blah, blah. But yeah. So, like always, see you guys when that's all done, alright? It's just a mess. She sounds mean. Alright boys, so hope you guys enjoyed that wheel and tire video. I hyped it up the most. I know what you're gonna be thinking. Charlie, looks like you're wearing the same thing you're wearing for the rivets video. I am. So I've been grinding, trying to shoot videos, trying to get the best clips possible for you guys. So once again, thank you for staying tuned to this wheel and tire video. I really do appreciate you. DT Group, everything we do, we did that. Alright, so hope you guys have a great day. Once again, thanks for stopping by. Hit that like video, maybe subscribe, maybe not yet. I say do it now because the content's only getting better from here. That's the finish. What's next is we're painting these. So stay tuned as always. Alright, I'm out. Peace.